If the apps on your Pioneer 4K Xumo TV, such as Amazon Prime, Hulu, HBO Max, etc. are not working properly, they won't open, crashes, they're unresponsive or takes too long to load, etc., then here's some common and effective fixes to solve various app issues on the Xumo TV. If the apps are malfunctioning on your Xumo TV, the most simple and fast fix can be closing all the background apps and opening them back from scratch. To close all the background apps, you'll need to open the settings panel, then find and open Apps and Subscriptions. After that, go down and select Close All Recent Apps. Select Yes, Close Apps, and all the apps will be closed from the background. Now we can press OK and try reopening the app that was malfunctioning or stopped responding. If the app still won't work properly, then the next step we will make sure that our Pioneer Xumo TV has access to stable internet. First, you can try checking that by trying to use a different streaming app. If the other app works fine, then this may be a specific app issue. But if none of the applications load or work, then this is probably an internet issue. So you should troubleshoot your internet first. You can try connecting to a different network and see if the app starts functioning normally, or you can also try restarting your router. If your internet is working properly, another way to troubleshoot your internet is making sure that you have selected the correct time zone. To check your time zone, go to Settings, then Device as Settings, Time and Location, and open Time Zone and make sure you have selected your local time. But if your internet is fine, then this can also be caused by some software glitches. And to fix that, you can simply cold boot or soft reset your Pioneer Xumo TV. Just unplug its power cord, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, then plug your TV back in, and give the apps another go. If cold boot didn't help, then let's try clearing all the cached data for all your apps. But note that after this, you'll need to sign in to all the apps once again. So to do it, from the settings panel, you'll need to go to Privacy, then scroll down to Locally Stored Data, select it, and hit Yes, Clear Now. Now all your apps' data will be erased, and when you launch them, they will be brand new. Unfortunately, after following all these steps, if most of the apps on your Xumo TV is not working, then as a last resort, what you can do is hard resetting your Xumo TV to factory default, which will definitely fix any issues with apps. But as you'll have to start from scratch, if you don't want to do it, then you can always get in touch with customer support by going to support.xumo.com. And that's all for this video, so let us know how it went down below. Drop a like, subscribe to support us, and I'll see you around.